My name is Renee Davila. I am an applications engineer for National Instruments, now part of Emerson, and I am going to introduce a complex solution called Digital Signal Transceiver. Digital Signal Transceiver now represents a solution for customers that want to do testing with a device under test or DUT that happens to have analog and digital on each side of the DUT. In this case, this is right here an X410, which is our in this case test DUT, and it has analog on the front, digital on the back, a QSIP 28 port on the back, and the point of this demo is to show that this high-speed serial Flex Rio coprocessor has that DSC or digital signal transceiver complex solution that masks it to make it look and feel like a VST, a vector signal transceiver. The signal on the left side of the screen represents a signal that was generated by DST. It originated from our Flex Rio card coming out of one of the ports, the ZHD ports, and they are IQ samples wrapped in a Aurora high-speed serial protocol, but you can choose a protocol of your choice. It then goes into our device under test, and then goes through a DAC, and now comes out the TX RF port into our VNA to be displayed on the left. This yellow signal is a pulse train, but now we actually have the DUT in loopback, so it's actually receiving the signal into itself, goes back into the high-speed serial device, and can be represented on the left side of the screen as a green signal. You can see that the pulse train is coming through, and on the bottom of the screen, we can see that it got Fourier transformed into a spectrum. And so both of these signals are the same, yet the left side is all digital. These other signals that are here were originated from the VST. And the VST generated tones that then got split into 3 receive ports on the DUT of our choice. And we can see that these tones are displayed on the top and bottom where their frequency offsetted. This allows customers ultimately to enhance their testing and validation of custom DUTs to then do full system integration in the future.